Hey, I'm down the allotment today. I brought down some mushroom trays and we're going to do some harvesting. It's a baking hot day. We're not going to be here for long. We're going to get some stuff, give it a water and go home. So let's see what we can harvest on the vegetable garden allotment. So let's go in the polytunnel and see. So my first pick is these tomatoes. One of them is going slightly bad, so I'm gonna take them all off, as we don't want them getting too bad, and they probably won't even make it home. I'm taking the various colours. I'm just taking a couple of the lighter ones. There we go. First harvest. The next we're going to look at is the radishes. And these have gone a bit crazy. They've gone a bit big. We can give it a go. Smaller one here. These are French breakfast. So we're having a look at the cucumbers, and these were the mini munch, and they're doing okay. It's not a bad one. And we've got a couple smallish ones. Just going to take them off as they are. My daughter loves the mini munch ones, and they're good. She will eat them just like that. So we've got some tomatoes, we've got our radish, we've got a couple of cucumbers. So these are the potatoes. I'm just covering back the foliage. We can already see potato. So I'm just going to have a little dig. There we go. A few baby ones. There we go. Another one there. Another one under there, I see. This is just a no dig bed. Let's have a look under this one. There we go. We've got a few. And a few more. There we go, some potatoes. Looking good. So this is a tomato. My rather sad plant. This was done in the grow bag and it hasn't been that great. It's been too dry in the polytunnel, but it's a harvest. If anyone's a regular watcher, they will see that I love Alderman Peas. And look at these. They're 7 foot tall and still growing. And we've got some nice pods that we can harvest here. So we look at the runner beans. We don't want to take them too thick and too hard, otherwise they become too woody. So that's just about perfect. Just getting a bit harder, a bit bigger when they're brown. But it's good just to keep taking them off so they don't grow to seed. So I'm looking for a couple of onions. And that's looking pretty good. Look at the carrots. There we go. We've got a carrot. So the garlic was left in a bit too long. And we can see it split already in the ground. It will still be okay, but it won't store very well. So we'll have to use this quite quickly. Random onion. So this is the single beetroot we planted. And we're just having a quick look. They're not massive, but it is a beetroot. Having a look at the parsnips. The courgette, it was looking quite sad. has actually come to life. We've got one courgette growing here, and if we look around here, we've got a nice one just growing here. That's okay. It's a bit wonky, but it's not a supermarket. So we've got some late broad beans, and these are going quite fat now. They're going quite crazy. So I'll take a few. And see what we got. Take the higher ones, they'll be a bit younger. They'll be nearly done now. So here we go. This is the first full harvest in the summer from our vegetable allotment garden. Can't beat it. All homegrown, all grown by myself. Wonderful. So it's not always just about how much you've got and what you can grow. It's just the satisfaction that you've grown it, and the fact you're out in the open on a lovely day, enjoying the weather and enjoying the lovely produce that you have grown. So let me know, what have you been harvesting? Let me know in the comments, and that'd be most interesting. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more videos. So, thank you very much. Cheers for now.